So this is the pump filler. Okay, we'll turn it on. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna choose English. Okay. We need to put this into co-rotation before start filling. Okay. This fill output, it means the pieces, how many pieces we have filled. And this collect time, it means how many seconds it needs for filling one jar. It is automatic, so there is no need to revise it. We can set up the filling volume by ml, any volume you want, between 1 ml to 2000 ml. We use 300 grams, okay. And this is a single pump. There is no pump 2, so we just need to set up pump 1, no need to set up pump 2. And interval time, it means the time between two filling. At the beginning, you can set it up at 2 seconds. After you get familiar with it, you can use 1 second, okay. So here we have menu, parameter menu. You can check it. It is used for testing the pump. You can try to press it. You see the pump is working. It's running. Okay. So parameter. Let's check it. We can adjust the fill speed of the pump 1. If you fill small jar, you need to adjust this one smaller so that it won't split up. And if you fill the large jar, you can use large filling speed so that it can fill faster. Okay, and we have manual mode and out mode. See, under manual mode, you press 1 time, it fill 1 time. Okay, and under manual mode, we can use this wireless controller to, let's try. Okay, use the B to start. The pump is working. It's vibration now. Okay, it will fill 300 ml. That's the time it needs. Okay, it stopped for 2 seconds. And another filling. Okay, and we can stop it. Stop the filling at any time by press the A. You see? It stopped. Not filling now. So that's the filling part. Okay, this program on and program stop. It means we can use this part to start and stop at any time as well, instead of this wireless controller. Okay, so after 1 day's working, we need to empty the pump and the tubing and the filling nozzle. To pump the wax back into your tank, we need to press here under manual mode and press this button to reversal. Okay, so by this way we can empty the pump, empty the tubing. It's working now. Okay, that's the pump part. Also, the pump has some accessories like this one. It's a filling nozzle, and the nozzle with filter. This filter can help us to anti-drop, to prevent from leakage. Okay, this is inside the tank. We have a filter as well. It can help us purify your wax. We need to put it inside the tank, and the tubing you can insert it from this hole. You see.